it's me, Asawang Filipina, and now is we're gonna drive mountain driving again. So let's gonna press the pedal, and this is the shoes that I'm wearing today with the speedometer this time. So foot brake, drive. So first is I have to check that my sunglasses is on because of the sun. So let's go. So we're still here in the city, then there's no driving for now. That's the school to the right. No traffic today. Left. First. Oops. Brake. Because there's a motorbike. So here. Let's go. This is the hospital in our city, the right side. Driving. Then later on we're gonna drive uphill driving. So for now we're here in the city. So let's press the pedal. Then go left. So uphill driving. You just drive through the motorbike, you don't see it. And then you have to speed up later on. Press the pedal.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.